Hello students, in the previous session, I have started the topic that is human digestive system. In that class, I told you that human digestive system is made up of digestive tract or alimentary canal and digestive glands. They both combinedly known as human digestive system. Now, the digestive tract is made up of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. And the digestive glands are salivary gland, liver, and pancreas. These are three digestive glands which secrete digestive juices between the process of digestion. Now, the digestion of food started from the mouth. So we are talking about the process of digestion. As you know, the process of breaking down of complex component of food into simpler substances is called digestion. The process of digestion is different in human, grass-eating animals, amoeba, hydra, etc. That means the process of digestion depends on the food which is eaten by that particular organism. The food of human is different. The grass-eating animals, they eat different food. They eat grasses only and the plant parts only. Amoeba, hydra, they are organisms which feed on different type of food. How the process of digestion take place? Enzyme help in the breakdown of complex molecules like carbohydrate, protein, fat, etc. into simple molecules. That means during the process of digestion, enzymes are helpful in the breaking down of complex molecules into their simpler form. Not only the enzymes, some that digestive juices are also there which also help in the process of digestion. Digestion in unicellular animals like amoeba is intracellular. Intracellular means it takes place inside the cell. The digestive enzymes are secreted in the food vacuole. If you are remembering, I have told you about the ingestion process in the amoeba. I explained you that process. So just recall that process. In that process, amoeba take in its food and capture it in a food vacuole. Now that food vacuole, that time also I told you that inside that food vacuole only the digestive enzymes are secreted by the rest cell of the amoeba and the food get digested. So this is the process of digestion. Now we will discuss some questions. What is ingestion? As I told you that the intake of food inside the body of organism is called ingestion. That means putting food inside the body. What is digestion? The breaking down of solid and complex food into simple and soluble form is called digestion. Digestion is the process by which the food which we have taken in, that is in the complex and solid form, is broken down into its simple and soluble form. That process is known as digestion. What is absorption? The process of passing of digested food into blood vessels in the intestine is called the absorption. Process of absorption means mixing. You can say the mixing of digested food in the blood vessels in the blood is known as absorption. By the process of absorption, the food which is digested by the digestive system is mixed in our blood. What do you understand by assimilation? The conversion of absorbed food in complex substances such as protein and vitamin required by body is called assimilation. Or in simple word, you can say that when the absorbed food is utilized by body for different functioning, is that process is known as assimilation. Means assimilation is the process of utilization of digested and absorbed food. What do you understand by egestion? Removal of the waste material from the body time to time from anus is called egestion. Anus is what? It is the last point of your digestive tract, the last end. It is the opening through which the undigested food and the waste material are thrown out of the body. So the above 5 questions, they are what? They are basically the steps in the process of nutrition. What are the steps of nutrition involved in animals? There is 5 steps of nutrition involved in animal. These are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. In the next class, we will start with the digestion process in the mouth.